California nights, Stanford Underground, a straight line machine with a world-changing sound. No endless circle, no lap through the flame. Two beams moving forward with one target to claim. 3.2 kilometers power in the line. Electrons accelerate with precision by design. Positrons approach from the opposite side. Matter meets antimatter in a high-speed collide. Close to the speed of light, synchronizing time. Guided by magnets through a pathway, razor fine. Only one collision chance, no second run. Every single particle must meet as one. More than 1,000 corrections kept the pathway tight. Fighting every vibration through the day and night. A shift in temperature, a movement far too small could make the beams miss and erase it all.
One beam from the left, one beam from the right. Focus to a single point, straight into the light. Stanford Linear Collider, cutting through the night.
Turning hidden forces into signals we can write.
Electron and positron,
A flash that opens doors.
at around 91 gigaelectronvolts.
We explored the fundamental laws,
One moment of light,
revealing what was hidden inside a ring. Electrons lose energy fast. Synchrotron radiation makes the power fade at last, but send them down a straight line and much less slips away. That linear design helps shape the future way. At the meeting point, the detector stood prepared. The SLAC large detector measured everything that flared. Silicon found the places where short-lived particles broke. Drift chambers traced the pathways through the aftermath of smoke. Calorimeters measured every burst of energy. Immune system searched for deeper signatures to see. Beam mesons and quarks left evidence behind. Tiny tracks became a map for the scientific mind. The target was the Z-boson, heavy and neutral, carrier of the weak force, precise and fundamental. Close to with resonance, the scientists could test how it coupled to the leptons and the quarks they could detect. Three like neutrino families emerged from what they found, strengthening the standard model on experimental ground. They measured the weak, mixing angle with precision and control, testing Electroweak theory at its deepest level.
left is not right. Nature knows the difference. The mirror cannot copy the weak force with perfect innocence.
Polarized electrons made the hidden pattern clear. Left-handed, right-handed, measured year by year. The asymmetry revealed what the numbers had implied. Parity was broken on the weak interaction side. From 1989 to 1998, the SLC kept pushing at the scientific gate. Its luminosity was lower than the strongest circular ring, but the technology it pioneered changed everything. Feedback, lasers focus, keeping every beam aligned. Building better instruments for the collider still designed. Its legacy keeps moving and the vision travels on, from the International Linear Collider to the click machines to come.
Stanford Linear Collider, cutting through the night.
Turning hidden forces into signals we can write.
Electron and positron,
One meeting, one release.
a straight line path that brought us closer to the universe beneath.
No endless,
Revolution, just one perfectly timed flight.
one collision.
One discovery, straight into the light. A pathway of light. A view inside creation.
The SLC was more than metal.
Magnets and design.
It was a straight road
Toward the laws beneath space and time. Straight into the light. Straight into the light.